Welcome to Rotating Wheels. Today, we did an install with a set of our Titan Darkside wheels. It is a 5Y-spoke design. The front was upgraded to a 21-inch wheel, and the rear is an 18-inch, featuring the high-performance Galfer cubic rotors. After every install, the bike first goes to lot testing. This is a basic parking lot test to ensure everything feels 100%. If everything feels good, the bike proceeds to road testing. Next, we will take it out on the main road. Remember, safety first. Always drive with the proper clothing and a helmet. We do the road test to check for any wobbles or vibrations at higher speeds, and to ensure everything is functioning properly for a safe ride. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more.